Hello student, today we are going to learn here phylum Echinodermata. This is the last phylum of the group Invertebrata. So many animals are included in the phylum Echinodermata, and one of the important characteristic of this phylum is that these animals are exclusively marine. Because when we are going to compare it with the phylum Mollusca, molluscan animals are found in fresh water as well as in the marine water, but the animal which are belonging to the phylum Echinodermata, they are exclusively marine. So varied type of animals are included in phylum Echinodermata, and they are of varied shape. When we are observing some animal, some are rounded in shape, some are cylindrical shape, and some are star shaped also. When we are taking symmetry into the consideration, so radial symmetry is found in this animal. Regarding with the body region, there are two important regions. One is the oral region and another is the aboral region. So along with these, there are other some characteristics also, but these are the few important characteristics. Now we are going to move ahead towards the classes. Regarding with its classification, this phylum Echinodermata is divided into the five major classes. The first is the Crinoidea, and the well-known example of this class is the Antedon. Second is the Holocuroidea, and well-known example of this class is the Cocumaria. Next one is the Echinoidea, and the well-known example of this class is the Echinus. Fourth class is the Ophiuroidea, and the well-known example of this class is the Ophioderma. And the fifth class is the Asteroidea, and the well-known example of this Asteroidea is the starfish. Now let us see how starfish is look here, and how the characteristic that we have studied in phylum Echinodermata, how they are applicable to the starfish. Now on screen you can see I am drawing here a picture of this animal. First thing or foremostly, we can visualize it is like a star shape. So yes, this is the animal. This animal is having a star shape and it belongs to the class Asteroidea. And the name of this animal is the starfish. We call it as the sea star, but very commonly this animal is known as the starfish. So first thing we have to make clear here, though the name itself indicating it is the fish, but it is not a true fish. Only the name is the fish, but this animal is belong to the phylum Echinodermata. Body is a star shaped and there are two sides, oral and aboral. So how to identify aboral side and how to identify the oral side? So when such type of the structure is occur here, we call it as the madreporite, and at the vicinity to that another one structure is present, we call it as the anus. So the portion which showing madreporite and the anus, so that type of the portion is known as the aboral side. So this is the characteristic feature to identify the side, aboral side. Now how to identify oral side and what characteristics are present on the oral side, that we are going to observe here. Now again I am going to draw here the morphological features of this animal, that is the starfish. So at the center of this there is a presence of a central disc, and into very near of this central disc there is a presence of a mouth. So the region which is having a mouth, that is the region of a oral side. So this is the differentiation between the oral and the aboral side. Regarding with the endoskeleton, so endoskeleton is present in this animal and they are flexible one. Pedicellari, they are present here, which are very small. Respiration is occurred in this animal with the help of a papillae. And the last characteristic that is quite important, that sexes, they are separate here. So gonads are again radially arranged in this animal, and development is occur with the help of a bipinnaria larva. So this is the well-known example of a class Asteroidea which belong to the phylum Echinodermata. Thank you.